Right, in this video I'm going to be talking about when you have got your windscreen washer filled up to the top. You know that, but when you go to press on the, let's get some light in here. When you go and press on the water, barely anything's coming out. It's not coming out all that well, and in fact you find it squirting out like I did on the side of your bonnet. It's time to open up and have a look. I've got the engine anyway on because I drained it out of a little bit of battery earlier. I had the boot open for a job. Anyway, engine on. Let's see if it's squirting out anywhere apart from it should be. There's already a clamp on it, a cable tie, and I think it needs to be doing. Oh, I think it's the smaller cable tie that's causing problems. Okay, so it came through here. That's a proper valve. It's a proper valve for water, to connect two water pipes. Not too convinced about this bottom one. I'll change that as well. Careful that don't drop it. Then lose this little white valve. Yeah. It's quite loose, isn't it? What is that rectangular shape? You see that? I mean, it's flattened here. Just need I can't really snip that because it's going to be too short. Okay, let's get some cable ties. So PTFE is this sort of tape you get at Plumbers Merchants. Very thin, very slippery, and used for occasions like this. Much more of a tight fit now. Okay, that was a tight fit. Did you see that? Let's clamp it down and... Alright. Loads of water. Let's spray. Water and no leak. Tiny leak there. We'll do the same. PTFE on the other side, job done. Alright, so tiny leak on this side. I haven't put PTFE on this side. It should be job done. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you're not really a subscriber, please think about subscribing, leave a comment below. Okay, let's take it now. Drop PTFE both sides. It's going to be dangling. Plenty of liquid coming out.